The Peugeot 108 key fob battery replacement is a simple DIY task. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, coin, or plastic pry tool. First, locate the seam on the fob, usually along the key ring side. Gently pry open the two halves using your tool in the notch. Remove the old CR1620 coin cell battery, noting the correct orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR1620 battery with the positive side up. Snap the case back together firmly. This restores remote locking, unlocking, boot release, and panic alarm functions. Avoid short-circuiting the battery with metal objects. Dispose of old batteries at recycling centers to prevent environmental harm. Always check the polarity markings inside the case before inserting the new battery to prevent damage. Battery life typically lasts 1 to 2 years with daily use. DIY replacement saves you money compared to professional service. If your fob has a valet switch, ensure it's in the unlocked position during the replacement. Consider that newer Peugeot models are shifting towards rechargeable batteries, but the 108 uses the cost-effective CR1620.